Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Another neat project right here in the corner. It's a shoehorn that I've come up with, and I call it the 5-in-1 tool. Here it is. I've taken some old, first off I wanted to show you these old wooden spoons, and I've turned them into shoehorns. And I've got several of them I've made up here. This I call the 5-in-1 tool. It has this handle on here where I've incorporated a bottle opener, a corkscrew, pocket knife, and you can hang it. Plus, it's a shoehorn. Now, you say 5-in-1 tool, what's the fifth use? Well, it's a spoon, of course, right? You can still use it as a spoon. But you know what? I could call this a 6-in-1 tool because I have another use for it. A back scratcher. Yeah, check it out. It's not really engineered to be one, but it works as one nonetheless. So yeah, really a 6-in-1 tool right here. Got a bonus use out of it, right? Okay, well let me show you another one I made up. This one here, 5-in-1 tool, right? Well, I'm sorry, but this one happens to be a 7-in-1 tool. Yeah, check it out. We have, clipped on the end here, a rape whistle. Yeah, baby. And it's got a compass, a thermometer right here, and you push on this centerpiece right here, pull out. There we go. It has a magnifying glass right here on the end of it. Well, yeah. And of course we have the shoehorn, the spoon, and the back scratcher. Yay! There's 7 uses for this baby right here. You gotta love it. And check out the craftsmanship. If I may say so myself, I have used a wood burning tool and burnt some design into this round dowel rod, wrapped some twine around it, and polyurethaned it. So it's nice and shiny. Corner symbol right there. Check out this third one that I've made. It's a little bit smaller and it has a bobber on the end with a leather lanyard. And I used my wood burning kit. I got a little more crafty with it, I guess. I'm kind of learning it as I go. But I made what looks like some little fish on here. Get up a little closer. Little fish. Going up there, of course, my PappysCorner symbol. Matter of fact, this one here I use most of the time. I have it hanging by the garage door there. So, it's a fun project. Lots of fun. Anyway, I want to thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.